In this video, we will cover class 6th English poem Beauty. Okay, tell me, who is the most beautiful person or thing in the world? What do you understand by beauty? Okay, which looks attractive. So beauty can be seen. Can you hurt beauty? Today we will study a poem Beauty that is written by E. Ye Shore. So beauty is something which give pleasure to your senses. Every person have their own perception for beauty. You must have heard beauty lies in the eyes of beholder. Now let's read the poem. Beauty is seen in the sunlight, trees, the birds, corn growing, and people walking or dancing for their harvest. So in this stanza, poetess says the beauty can be seen in sunlight when it shines in the morning, in the trees which provide shade during summers. You can see the beauty in birds with different voice and colors. You can find the beauty in cornfield. The bright green and yellow color seems crops are dancing. People who worked hard in the fields are beautiful. You can see the beauty when farmers are dancing with joy. Now let's read the second stanza. Beauty is heard in the night, wind sing, rain falling, or a singer chanting, anything in earnest. In this stanza, poetess says, in night when there is silence, you can hear the sound of cricket and insect, the sound of wind breezing. Beauty can be heard in sound of raindrops. When they fall on the ground, they give a rhythmic sound. And when a singer chanting, when he sings melodious songs. Beauty is in yourself, good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams. In this stanza, poetess explain the inner beauty. Beauty is not outside, it is within yourself. It is in your action, your thinking, your behavior, in your dreams, which is repeated in your work. It reflects in your personality and even in your life, which makes you beautiful. Beauty is everywhere. It can be seen, heard, and even practiced through our action.